Our detailed comparisons are made possible by users who subscribe. Please support us and subscribe.
So we're diving into the DeLonghi Eletta today, specifically the fully automatic espresso machine. I'm looking at a black renewed model ASIN-B07 Nevada 2L9 teraliters. What Eletta are you checking out?
I've got another Eletta here, also fully automatic and refurbished, in black as well. This one's ASIN-B09VM6Z26J. Seems like we're comparing apples to slightly different apples.
Okay, cool. Let's see what's different and help our listeners decide which one's the better buy. Right off the bat, this one says it can brew 2 cups of coffee in a single cycle. That's a huge time saver in the mornings, or when you have company. Plus, it uses either beans or ground coffee. Does yours do that?
Mine also does the 2-cup thing, thankfully. And yes, it handles both beans and pre-ground coffee. But the big selling point for mine is the My Milk menu. It lets you customize milk-based drinks tonic beyond Tonic's just cappuccino and latte.
Yeah, both have the latte crema system for automatic milk frothing. That's a big plus for consistent results. No more latte art fails. Okay, digging deeper. This one boasts 13 adjustable grinding settings. That seems like a lot of control over the coffee's coarseness and ultimately the flavor. Plus, it's got a double boiler system and electronic temperature control. How does yours compare on the tech side?
This Eletta also has a steel burr grinder, which is great for consistent grinding and preserving the coffee's aroma. The description emphasizes that it's designed not time to leave grounds in the brewing unit, which is a common complaint with some machines. That could be a big win for flavor purity.
Nice! Cleaning is a huge deal for me. I don't want to spend half my weekend scrubbing an espresso machine. This first one has automatic cleaning programs, descaling, rinsing, and it says all the removable parts are dishwasher safe. Is yours a pain to clean?
Thankfully, no! The second one is also designed for easy cleaning. It has a removable brew unit and a dishwasher-safe drip tray. They both seem to prioritize ease of maintenance, which is fantastic.
Good to know. What about specific drink options? Mine mentions it can make cappuccino, latte macchiato, hot milk, and even a flat white. Pretty standard fare.
This one has that My Milk menu, where you can customize your lattes, flat whites, and steamed milk. So similar options, but potentially a bit more tailored to your specific preferences. If you're picky about your milk foam, this might be the better choice.
Customization is definitely appealing. This one also has a touch control panel, which sounds pretty sleek and modern. Makes it feel a bit more high-end.
Both seem to be fully automatic, so ease of use is probably similar overall. One thing I noticed is that the customer reviews on mine are a bit lower, 3.8 stars compared to your 4.8. Might be worth digging into those reviews to see why.
Yeah, sounds like they're both pretty high-end automatic machines. The real difference might just come down to personal preference on features like the My Milk menu, the importance of a touchscreen, and of course, carefully reading those customer reviews on the refurbished units. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.